Cancer. I got Leo popping up. So something might have something to do with a Leo, or it's time for you to get in your fire energy here, courageous, um, take charge of a situation here. Might even be drawing in a whole lot of attention with that Leo energy. That could be it too. Here, crown chakra, solar plexus here. Some of you know what you got to do about something here. Let's see. Cancer. You got for Cancer spirit. Some of you need to open up here, and that's going to create some type of balance for you. This could be just opening up to knowing what it is that you need to do here. Maybe you've been a little bit guarded, not wanting to take on some type of task here. Okay. Ooh, take the lead. What do you know? Seek. Some guidance is coming in. Coming together. In the middle, you have third eye. Ooh, your third eye is popping. It's open. Yeah, it's open. Rebuild. Heart chakra. Okay. Crown chakra. I'm just curious. Healing begins. Okay. Balance. It's about rebuild. Sacral chakra. God damn, all these chakras. Y'all got me doing it. It's about the heart chakra. Manifestation. Ooh. Alright. Get into the magic of who you are here. That's what that opening up is talking about. And it came back. Take the lead here. This is getting free, freeing yourself from something, breaking some type of chain here. Something might try to have you bound with your thoughts as well, or maybe how you view something. And then there goes that solar plex here. So you might be on a move here a lot, yeah. Embracing what's around you here. So some of you might be on a move or getting a whole lot of things done at this moment. I like it, especially with this take the lead here. Balance, sacral chakra, and manifestations here. This is putting action into what it is that you know that you need to do. Don't just pray about it, be about it, is what I'm getting here. You got 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 twos, and then you got that 4. So this is about being stable here. Something might be coming together with some type of partnership that you have with someone too here. This might be something that you're manifesting. Something might require for you to get out of your comfort zone here when it comes to something here. Because that heart chakra is the number 4 here. In order to feel stable in a situation. So you might got a whole lot of work on your plate with that balance card. That's like the 2 of Pentacles. Getting a whole lot of things together. Don't doubt yourself here. Because you got that third eye right in the middle. So you know what it is that you need here. Which is the 6 here about balance. What is this take the lead here? Something could be about sacred knowledge here too as well. 8 of Swords here. King of Pentacles, your work, things that you need to do here. Put more love into your work here, your surroundings here. Maybe you should just like, when you're in this space, so you want to make sure you're around things that smell good, look good, things that make you feel good here to bring this energy in. Buy yourself some flowers if you're a woman. If you're a man, what is it, sandalwood here? That'll help. What's this Eight of Swords? Page of Swords. And the Strength card. Knowing you have to be strong about something here. Not allowing things to get in the way, especially when it comes to your mind of how you do things here. Maybe somebody try to restrain you, have you restrained here as well. um, Also watch your anger is one I want to get, especially when you're going up into this high um, energy here. Some of you might be dealing with like, or recently dealt with like some type of depression. You felt like you can't get up, can't get things to move in here. I see where you are getting out of that. Something could be about Leo too, because Leo came in strong in your reading here. You might be upset. Maybe upset because someone walked away from you here. Yeah. Okay. You might be upset somebody walked away, somebody played games here as well. But that is going to, I don't know, for you, whoever I'm talking to, the Cancers I'm talking to, that's going to give you like that boost of energy, that ego energy too as well. I don't care. Sometimes you need your ego. This is good ego. I feel that that fire, that thing to get you to moving. Like I don't need you. I can do this by myself. Here, what is this? Seek. Might be seeking some type of guidance here, or something's coming toward you at a time of meditation. Ace of Pentacles here. The answers here. 6 of Wands. This is you rising above anything that you feel like that might be a challenge toward you here. This is also inner wisdom, spirituality here. Holding on to your belief here as well. Not letting anyone get you off your ground on what it is that you believe in here. This is also believing with your manifestations, because you got this right here with this manifestation. So they want you to believe in yourself more here. Believing that the answers, the things that you pick up, especially when it comes to your intuition, which is your third eye, right here in the middle. Some of you are tapping in and homing your gifts more as well with this Seek card, which I think is the Hermit in this deck. What is this? It's wisdom, knowledge, 9 of Pentacles here. Seeing how things come together here. Ace of Pentacles, 9 of Pentacles, King of Coins. God damn. Some of y'all might be in your Empress energy where you're just being open to things here. Ooh, King of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles. Could be a partnership here, a marriage here as well. I feel like something's coming together here. A power couple. Oh, you got it coming together right beside you. I ain't even know that. So some of you might run into someone new here. That Ace of Pentacles could be someone that you work with here as well. Could be an independent contractor here, someone who owns their own business as well. What's this coming together? Maybe going in business with someone for some of you here. King of Swords here. Seeing the truth here. Something could be about an air sign. But this is knowledge, understanding here. speaking things out to existence here. Some of you might have been praying here. This King of Swords look like you prayer, and then that's it. So it might be something you've been praying for. For some of you, this could be a home as well. For some of you, if it's been like any type of infidelity, a mistress, I see the mistress moving on, walking away here. God damn. Somebody got cut the fuck off. Or mistress, what they call the man? I don't know what they call the man. Cause shit, sometimes, shoot, woman cheat too. Oh, goodness. Somebody walking away. Alright. What's this kid? So, I'm being stupid, y'all. Don't pay me no mind on that shit. I get dumb sometimes. What's this King of Swords? But this is knowing. This is you getting into your intellect here. King of Swords. The King of Knowledge, right? Knowing that things are coming together in due time, especially when it comes to your money. Now, this Queen and King of Pentacles could be yourself here with your masculine and feminine energy bringing things together here. Working. What's this King of Swords? Knight of Coins. Nine of Swords in reverse. Not worried here. No longer doubting a situation here. Knowing that your prayers and affirmations will be answered here. The High Priestess here. Like you just know. And you're no longer questioning this anymore here. Or that's what they say here. Don't question yourself. Just know it. Seeing isn't always believing, right? What is this third eye here for Cancer? Yeah, that's good. The Moon, Hangman, and the Page of Coins here. Some of y'all learn how to see in the dark, but this is really, yeah, your third eye is really, really open here. Damn, this reading seems too perfect. Dude, but okay. I appreciate it. Same thing. Yeah, being guided. Some of you are healing over something in the past. Yeah. Something might have had a very strong hold on you, but I see where you're letting that go here. And that might be what that rebuild is too, as well. Maybe you just walked away from something that didn't serve you or wasn't serving your higher purpose here, and you didn't want to dwell on it or think about it here. You kind of might be blocking it off or taking it as a learning lesson with that King of Swords, seeing things for what they are, but still holding on to your belief here. What is this? Rebuild? The sun. Some of you might have a sun here. But this is working. Being very determined. This is you. Getting out of this Three of Swords energy here. Learning from something, a heartbreaking experience. Taking that pain and using it for your benefit here. Being very in control. Yeah. What's this sun? Brighter days. With this sun. Knowing you're going to see brighter days here. Some of you happy that you let something go. What's this sun? Big Leo energy. And I got Leo faces. I don't know. 6 of Wands. 4 of Cups. Some of you now seeing how something was getting in your way anyway here, judgment, you put a judgment call on something here. But this is also knowing that you're going to be okay here. With this 6 of Wands and this Sun, you are. Yeah, you let something go. Going towards something new here. This is you closing out of a cycle here. This was something that was you were called to do here, I feel. Maybe something was holding you down, dragging you down, holding you back. Might be dealing with somebody who didn't wanna let you shine out here. Oh my goodness, you give them type of people. That's the worst. Where they don't want to see your light shine and they want to dull your light in order to make them feel like they got the light. You know, it's something like that. Might be dealing with somebody who never thought that you would get over them, but you did. What's this 2 of Coins here? So you got fire in your chart. Queen of Wands here. But that's taking action, right? Knowing what you need to do to keep things together here. For Swords, 4 of Coins here. Some of you are holding back, not communicating with somebody, keeping still here about what you got to do here. 10 of Coins here. Focus more on your family, your success, your growth. I like the fact that the devil is right beside the 10 of Pentacles here because you're very determined here. You're more on your money here. Money, power, respect is the key to life. What's this Queen one? Yes. Yes. Yes, babe. 7 of Wands, 6 of Pentacles. Yes. Getting yourself back down. It's like, this is not going to break me. I got this. I got this. I like that. Especially when it comes to that base chakra here. It's like, you know what you need to do here. Very, very well versed when it comes to your job here as well. You may have somebody who asks for your help. I don't think it's a lot though. It's just like a little bit. And that's whoever this person is, um, they help balance you out in some type of way. Air sign, earth sign here. They keep things balanced. Be a relative. Could be a relative. So what is this? Heart chakra here. Yep. Tao. The wheel. And the high priestess. Probably got to change your heart. When you can't. You got the tower here twice. Here. I see where somebody might even come back, try to get your attention, but you don't want to hear it. You got to change your heart. You're going toward your destiny, possibly more into your intuition. Here, I feel like somebody thought you was gonna have like emotional breakdown here, but you shift that and brought that, took that pain and turned it into your favor somehow. Is what I'm getting. Yeah, somebody just thought you was gonna go through it. They just thought you was gonna go through it. You'll never be able to have anything without me. Oh shit. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Here we go. I can have another you in a minute. Hey, hey. What's the sacred chakra? Page of Cups. Being kind with yourself here. Knowing what to give to yourself here. and when not to. Yeah, you can learn how to balance that out here. Um, Try not to give to your ooh. Some of you might have some type of imbalance. I'm just gonna say it that you need to look at. Might be your lower region that you need to pay attention to here. Yeah. So make sure you go get that checked out. Okay. But overall, this is you knowing when to give to yourself. You know. So you might be watching your diet, watching what you consume as well, or where you just spend your money. What's this page about? 7 o'clock. Some of you might just put something out there and just see if it work out. I can also see it like that too. This might be something that maybe you are a public speaker here. Okay. Try not to like them get rich scams, things like that. Be careful of that. Because you're going to be pissed. Alright. What's the 7 o'clock? And putting all your energy into your work, your creative spark here with that sacral chakra here. King of Wands here. For others of you, you got someone who's upset. You're not giving it to them. Here. Oh, y'all did. What you do? What did you do with that magician? What did you do? Now, all of you, some of y'all did some magic or some shit. Okay. What's this crown chakra? I'm gonna get out of that. I got nothing to do with it. That's your life. What's this crown chakra? 2 of Cups. Something could be about mirror magic, or you might not be able to get something off your mind here when it comes to a particular person. For some of you, what's this 2 of Cups? But this is also being connected to the Most High too, as well. That 2 of Cups, seeing things clearly, hear how it come in for you with the Magician. What is it? The Hermit. Wisdom, knowledge, temperance. Some of y'all got some powerful knowledge here when it comes to spiritual work here. I'm getting mirror magic. Mirror and earth magic. Some of you connecting with a Virgo. What's this? The Emperor and the 5 of Swords could be someone who is very controlling. They want to keep you to themselves. So you might not trust this person. Yeah, they want to keep you to themselves, whoever they are. Here. Could be a boss, somebody you work with, someone who's older than you. Here. What's this Five of Swords? Somebody who's controlling. Who is this? Somebody might be trying to avoid someone. Da-da. Oh, someone who say always gonna change here. What's this Magician? Eight of Cups. Ten of Swords. God damn. Somebody might be hurt that you walked away from. They want to, the Five of Swords could be like, by all means, my way here. Might be somebody who talked to the dad or something. Somebody feel like you are their end all be all. God damn, who y'all with? The devil, obsessed. Somebody trying to bring you back to him. What's this? Eight. Knight of Wands and reverse. Somebody don't want to see you with someone else. Here, Five of Coins. Ten of Pentacles here. They don't want to lose you. They see that you are good value. Here, Ace of Wands. And this could be somebody that you work with here. Maybe you got upset at a job here. You decided to end it. I feel like this person wants you to come back here. They don't want you to walk away here. All right, anything else for Cancer? Yeah, that might be at your work. Maybe you connect real good with people at a job here. Like you just know a whole lot here. A lot of knowledge. Something about books. I was getting books before I even read. There's something about booking, coding, something like that. Night. Queen of Swords. Four of Wands. Might be communication about a home. Justice. Six of Cups. These could be like family members. Things like that here. The world. You might get something coming in about a home. So if you've been looking for a home, I see somebody coming in to communicate something with you here. Could be an air sign, fire sign, possibly another water sign. An Empress. Could be a Taurus, Libra. Big emphasis on Libra. Yeah. Whatever it is, I feel like it's going to come together here. Why the devil here? Um, Make sure you're keeping away from a particular person here, because you don't want them to get in the way of what you got here what you got going on. Whatever that might mean to you. Okay. Let's see. What else you got for a Cancer? I'm going to call you later. What the hidden truth? What your person want to say? How many minutes again? 30. Okay. They ain't dead. Okay. What do your person want to say? What do Cancer's person want to say? Think about your person. Man. What do Cancer? I am grateful for the spiritual lesson. One more. So many things remind me of you. So this person thinks about you nonstop. I know I was a distraction from your pain, whatever the fuck that means. Maybe they was trying to distract their pain or project what they were going through on you at the time because they was going through their own thing. All right, bye, Cancer.